Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I've been gone for a long time, but I got a job and now I work in a camp, and I'm basically gone for a long period of time as a camp leader taking care of kids. And where I work, there's no Wi-Fi or internet. It doesn't really matter because we're not allowed to use our phones because we have to take care of the kids and we can't stay with on phones. But I'm back, and today we're going to be going into algebra. We're going to be looking at the basics, those basics we've been thinking about. Oh, how do we get to this? We're going to be looking at simplification. You pink. Don't mind my handwriting. Use of letters. We might talk about use of letters, but we are going to talk about brackets. We are going to remove the remove the brackets. Oh my god, my English is bad. And expand the brackets. I found a book where all these questions are, and yeah, I'm getting my questions from it. We are also going to be looking at adding and subtract, and factorization. So HCF. No, we're not going to be looking at HCF. We're just going to be looking at factorization. Okay, so I wanted to tell you guys about this white thing that comes up on my screen. It is basically a typing pad, but it doesn't show in the screen recording, and it happens a lot of times, especially when I'm changing from pen to when I want to scroll down, it's going to come up. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, let's start with our first question. Reduce that, go like that, and yeah, the first thing we have to do is get back to the basics. So we are going to be looking at what algebra is. Algebra is basically the use of letters to represent numbers. I know you can't see my handwriting. My handwriting is bad when I'm writing with a pen, but yeah, I'm gonna say it out loud so you can hear me. So our first question will be using the letters. Express P in P meters in centimeters. Don't think that are the spell centimeters. That's not the spell centimeters. This should be an I. 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So to go to 5 meters, you have to multiply 100 by 5. So basically, we take this 5 and input p. So we have 100 p centimeters. So if you input anything in here like 7, p is basically how many meters. So if you input anything inside like 7, we know 700 because 100 times 7 is 700 centimeters equals to 7 meters. Have any of you ever seen a meter stick? A meter stick is basically 100 centimeters, and that is a meter stick. So 1 meter is 100 centimeters. One of the easiest things to know. Okay, next one. Simplify 9a minus 5a minus 8a plus 10a. The first thing we want to do is group the positive. Oh, this is a plus. The positive and the negative. So we have 9a plus 10a. They always imagine, if there's no sign here, always imagine there's a plus at the back because there's no sign unless stated otherwise. Minus 5a minus 8a. Add this together, you get 19a. Add this together, because basically subtract, if you subtract two numbers from each other, you add it together, but you're subtracting it from each other. You get 13a, and when you subtract 19 from 13, you get 9a. Yeah, okay. We're going to try with different letters. This one we had the same letters. We're going to try one with different letters. 5x minus 8x plus x plus 3y. First up, group like terms, which is this. It's already grouped for us. 5x minus 8x is minus 3x plus x is 2x minus 2x plus 3y. We want the positive number to be over here and the negative number to not be the first. So we have 3y minus 2x. Note that 3x and yx are unlike terms, so they cannot be simplified further than they already are. Next up, we're going to look at removing brackets. For 3x minus 5y plus z. Oh, there's something I should say first. If you have x plus y, multiply like this, and you get ax plus ay. And if you have ax minus y, you have ax minus ay. So multiply everything in the bracket by 4, because 4 is not inside the bracket. You also multiply the signs. Negative times negative equals to plus. Positive times positive equals to plus. Negative times positive equals to negative. And positive times negative equals to negative. See, these are the negative at the back. This will be 12 minus 12x, but it doesn't have a negative at the back, so it's 12x minus 20y. Because plus times minus is minus plus 4z. Can you simplify it further than that? No. If you couldn't simplify it further than that, please simplify it. We're going to expand brackets. Expand. I'm going to do 2. R minus x, r plus y, and m plus 4n square. I said we're going back to the basics, I meant it. Multiply. How you do this is you multiply each of them by it twice. So r times r is r square minus plus r times y is ry minus x times r is xr minus xy. Can you simplify it further than that? No, you can't. Next one, m plus 4n square. So that means we have 2 of it. If you say 3 square, you mean 3 times 3. Same thing with this. We meant multiply them by each other. Same thing. Make sure you multiply each of them by each other. So we have m square plus 4mn plus 4mn plus 16n square. And to simplify it, I'm going to go up here and simplify it. N square, 4mn plus 4mn is 8mn plus 16n square. And yeah, that's how we get our answer. Next up is adding and subtracting and then factorization. Adding and subtracting. Three x over 7 plus 2x over 7 and 4a plus 13 over 5 minus 2a plus 3 over 3. We basically do it the same way except from the sign. Collect LCM, which is 7. 7 times 7 divided by 7 is 1 times 3x is 3x. 7 divided by 7 is 1 times 2x is 2x. So we have 5x over 7. Can we go further than that? No. For this one, 15 is the common denominator because 15 is the lowest common multiple, because 15 is the lowest number that can go both into 5 and 3. 30 can go, but 30 is bigger, so 15 is our lowest, so we're going to go 15. We're going to divide 5 by 15, which is 3. Then multiply everything here by 3. Minus 3 divided by 15 is 5. So we're going to multiply everything here by 5. So we have 12a plus 39 minus 10a minus 6. 15, not 6. I imagine the 2. Why did I imagine it 2? I can't tell you. Over 15. Yeah, over 15. Collect multiply terms. So bring minus 10a here and 39 bring it here. So 12a minus 10a is 2a. 39 minus 15 is plus 24 over 15. Can you go lower than this? No. If this was a 12 and not a 15, you would divide each of them by 2. So you have a, 12, and 6. So we have a plus 12 over 6. But we do not have that. We have a 15, so we can go further. Okay, so next up, our final question is factorization. Factorization is, I feel, is the simple thing ever. We're just basically factorizing it. We are looking for the things these two have in common and putting it into brackets. So 12x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 1. For this two, and then we go this two. And what does these two have in common? They have 4x, because 4 can go into the... They don't have 4x, they have 3x. Because 3 can go into the both of them. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days. The best part is you can get up from the mistake. And just like when you are substituting, no, not substituting. Our first ever video, I said they must have the same answer in each of the brackets. If it's not the same answer, you did something wrong. If it's not the same answer, you did something wrong. So 3x minus 1, 4x plus 1. And the best thing about factorization is you can always check your answers. All you have to do is just multiply it and you should get the same thing. So 12x plus 3x minus 4x minus 1, which is the same thing we had previously. 12x plus 3x plus 4x minus 1. 12x plus, oh, this should be a square because x go. 12x squared plus 3x minus 4x minus 1. Yep. Whoop whoop. And yeah, guys, that's it. I really do love algebra, so you're going to be seeing me a lot with algebra. Before I leave, I'm going to go back to difference of two squares. I know we've done that before, but I really like difference of two squares. So we are going to be solving one question of that. I know you guys know how to do it, so we are going to do a quick pause. I'm going to write a question down. You're going to pause the video and you are going to try solving it. And then you unpause it, see if you got it or you learned something from it. And tell me in the comment section if you did get it right. If not, let me know so we'll go over difference of squares again. Okay, I'm going to teach you a quick way to get it. AB minus A equals to A square because multiplying. So equals to A square plus AB minus AB minus B square. And if you simplify it, you get A square minus B square. So that is why A square minus B square is equals to A plus B, A minus B. We're on track for 15 minutes. um Question. 25 m square minus 16 n square. Pause it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 5m square, because we're going to square root it, minus 4n square. 5m plus 4n, 5m minus 4n. Did you get it? I hope so you got it. Okay, let's try another one. I really do hope you got it, because otherwise all my efforts. But so that's okay. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days. I have a motivation that says you were not born to be perfect. So don't try and force yourself to be perfect. Just do your will, do whatever you want, and trust in God to use you because you are enough. And I stuck that motivation on my wall, which is basically telling myself, do not strive to be perfect. Strive to do your own thing because everybody is going to make mistakes. And practice does make perfect. Just saying. Y plus 2, y minus 2. Yeah. So pause and take some time to do it by yourself. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we're going to square y. We have y square minus 2 square. Squaring it or plus. So now we're going to square both sides. So we have y minus 2, y plus 2. Basically go like this, which is y square minus 2y plus, wait, what did I do here? This wasn't right. I don't know why I did that. Plus 2y minus 4. and simplifying it, you get y squared minus 4. And that's our answer. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my YouTube video today. Put in your questions in the comment section. I will find some questions and I will solve it. I will teach you how to do it. And if I don't know how to do it, I'm going to go learn, because yeah, even I learn all the time. Next video we're going to look at something else. Maybe we're going to go another algebra way. Maybe we're going to do statistics. Maybe we're going to go trigonometry. Trigonometry is one of my favorite things. Especially the tan law, sine law, and cos law. It's very confusing, but it's my favorite equation. Or maybe we'll look at geometry or fractions, percentages, whatever. Any question you have, put it in the comment section. I will solve it. Like, comment, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share to your friends and family who may be struggling with maths or science. Physics, chemistry, I can also help with that. Just put your questions in the comment section. Maybe we'll go the chemistry route next time. Anyway, I'm Damsey Tutors, and this is my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.